In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my orders on Stitchfix. To get started, open the official Stitchfix website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, sign in to your Stitchfix account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving on, since your order history and account information are only available after signing in. After you've logged in, look for your profile icon. In some cases, this may appear as a small account image, and in others, it may show your initials instead. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. This is where Stitchfix keeps the main settings and account-related options you'll need. From that menu, select Orders and Returns. This is the section Stitchfix uses to organize your order history, including both current and previous purchases. If you're trying to check on something recent, this is the best place to begin because it brings everything together in one view. Once you're in Orders and Returns, browse through the list of your orders. You should be able to see your recent and past orders here. Take a moment to find the one you want to review. If you have placed multiple orders, it can help to look at the order date or any visible summary details to identify the correct one more quickly. When you find the order you want, select it to view more information, then click View Details or choose the similar Order Details option shown on the screen. This will open the full order page, where you can review important information such as the items included in the order, general order details, and any available actions connected to that purchase. Next, check the order status. This is the part that tells you where your order currently stands. Look for shipping updates or delivery information on the order page. If the order has already shipped, Stitchfix may also provide tracking information so you can follow the package's progress. That can be especially helpful if you're waiting for delivery or want to confirm when it will arrive. If needed, you can also manage the order from the Orders and Returns section. Depending on the purchase and its eligibility, you may see options related to returns or exchanges. This can be useful if you need to take action after reviewing the order details. And that's how to check your orders on Stitchfix. Once you know where the Orders and Returns section is, it becomes much easier to keep track of your purchases, review details, and stay updated on shipping or return options.